Hello students, welcome back to your English online class. Today we are going to start a new lesson and the name of the lesson is The School Play, lesson number 10. Play, meaning of the play is a thing in which engage in play, engage in activity. Play is engage in activity for enjoyment and recreation. Okay, it is a in play we can enjoy. Okay, and recreation in which is recreation especially by children. Okay, engage in activity for enjoyment and recreation especially by children. Okay, it is like drama, act. Okay, play is and the advantage of play is that play is the most important means by children, which children learn they can learn. Okay, and natural activity like they will create roles, they will imitate like in play they will imitate, they will play a role, they will in this play children will think what they have imagined, communicate, make choices, solve problem, and they will build a physical skills. Okay, they will learn that how even they will in this play they will enjoy and they will learn also about what they are thinking, how to communicate, they will learn. Okay, so number 1, getting ready. Look at the picture. Now read the directions. Draw a circle around the clown. Okay, Joker has wear that white thing no in neck. So you have to that is clown. Okay, you have to draw in red color. You can draw red color, any color you like. Okay, the girls dress pink. You can see that girls is wearing a colorless dress. So you have to color girls dress with pink. Okay, and the boy's boot black, and the boy is wearing a colorless boot. So you have to color that boot. Okay, boot of that boy. Draw an umbrella in the old man hand. You can see in the picture that old man is standing like he is holding something. So but he don't have anything in his hand. So you have to draw an umbrella in his hand. Number 5. What is the audience doing? Take the correct answer. Eating, standing, clapping. So you have to take the correct answer. You can see in the picture what they are doing, what the people are doing. Some of them are standing, some of them are dancing, some of them are clapping. So you have to take the correct answer. Maybe some of them are standing, dancing is not there. So you have to take in dancing, standing, and in clapping. Okay, so you have to do this by yourself. Number 2, reading. Last Saturday we celebrated our school annual day. We did a play called Little Red Riding Hood. So last Saturday in one school, last Saturday it is about it. This story is about a play they did in their school in school annual day. Okay, so let's read. So last Saturday they celebrate a school annual day. They in that school annual day they did a play named Little Red Riding Hood. So they celebrate their school annual day in Saturday. So last Saturday they celebrated school annual day, and they did a play name, and the name of the play is Little Red Riding Hood. And the school annual day is a occasion in which occasion of celebrating facilitation feast, and when students present not only their you or maybe you also in school annual day, you know, no, you maybe you know the meaning of school annual day, right? So but also I will say you few things about school annual day. Okay, it is an occasion of celebrating facilitation feast of when student present not only their wonderful performances, but also in that school annual day they will receive honors for their curricular and co-curricular activities. Like if you in annual day, you take part in dance, maybe some of you take part in sports, some of you take part in play, some of you take part in art drawing, like this. Okay, so you will that time you maybe you know that time you will get some trophy, and maybe you will get honors, if you play, if you take part in dancing, then you will get some trophy for your dancing. Okay, so they celebrate an annual day in their school. Okay, our teacher Nita Singh helped us to create a forest on the stage. You can see the meaning of create. Create means make. Okay, so you have to learn the meaning which are given in the book. So maybe sometime you this may come in your exam. Okay, so learn all the meaning which is given in the book. Okay, uh, one teacher named Nita Singh helped students to create a forest on the stage. For the play, they create a forest on the stage, and one teacher Nita Singh helped them. Okay, there were cardboard and art paper, trees and flowers all around. In that stage, there is a cardboard and art paper trees means tree which is made by paper, and the flowers paper. Okay, maybe you also make the papers, flower papers, paper flowers. Okay, and in that stage there is a cardboard paper tree which is made by paper, and flowers which is made by paper. Okay, flowers which is made by flower in that stage, all over the stage. Some of our friends dressed as a rabbit, and squirrels scampered around the trees. Scampered, you can see the meaning, run around. Okay, so some of students dress as they are playing, so they are friends, so some of the friends they are dressed as rabbits. Some I already told you in play we can role we can do any role. Okay, we can do any role. So they dressed as to play, in order to play, in order to do the play, they dressed as some they dressed as rabbits, some they dressed as squirrels, and they are run around the trees. Okay, in one corner of the stage stood a little house made of chart paper and sticks. In one corner of the stage, they made a they placed a one house which is made by chart paper and sticks. Okay, so Monty was a little Red Riding Hood. So Monty do a role of Little Red Riding Hood. Monty is a girl, so she wore a red skirt and a red blouse with a red hood. So you can see in the picture that Monty wore a red skirt and a red blouse with a red hood. Okay, so Ria was Red Riding Hood's mother. Okay, so Ria do a role of Red Riding Hood. Okay, she wore a green salwar kameez. So you can see in the picture that Ria is wearing a green salwar kameez. Susan was a grandmother. Susan did a role of Little Red Riding Hood. She wore a sari. So she wore a sari. Okay, sari. You know sari. Our teacher brushed some white paint on her hair and gave her a pair of spectacles. Spectacles means, you can see, meaning glasses. Okay, so she wore a sari. Our teacher means Nita Singh. Dear teacher brushed Susan hair with some white paint, like fabric paint, like white paint. Dear teacher colored Susan hair with white paint and gave her a pair of spectacles. So Susan is playing a role of grandmother. So she wore a sari and make her hair white and wear that spectacles. She really looked like an old grandma. So with that look, she is really looking like a old grandma. Okay, Rohit was the wood cutter, and Rohit played role as a wood cutter. Okay, she wore brown trousers and a waistcoat. So Rohit play as a wood cutter, so he wore a brown trouser and waistcoat. Okay, he carried an axe in one hand and a cloth bag in the other. Okay, Rohit carried Rohit is playing as a woodcutter, so he had carried an axe in one hand and cloth bag in other hand. So okay, Ollie was the bad wolf. So Ollie played as a role of bad wolf. He wore black kurta pajama. He covered his face with the wolf marks. He looked very scary. So Ollie played as a bad wolf. She wore a black kurta pajama. He covered his face with a wolf marks. So he's playing a role of wolf. So he covered his face with wolf marks and he looked very scary. Okay, the school had invited all the parents. The school invited all the parents of the students. When Little Riding Hood met the big bad wolf in the forest, the audience clapped and clapped. Audience means people who come to see a show. Okay, so when Little Riding Hood meet the big wolf in the forest, the audience means parents, students, parents, students, teachers who are students means people who come to see a show. So people, parents, students, teachers, all of them are seeing, watching, seeing that place. So when Little Red Hood meet big wolf in the forest, they started to clap. Okay, maybe they like that so much, so they started clap and clap and clap. The best actor prize went to Ollie. So best the best actor prize went to Ollie. So Ollie played, maybe Ollie played a nice, played a nice role, so he got a best actor, okay, trophy for the best actor prize. That best actor prize went to Ollie. Ollie got a best actor prize. He got a seal with school star written on it. Oh, okay. He got a seal with in which there was written that school star. Okay, school star. Ollie got a seal in which school star is written. Okay, school star is written on it. So students, I will send you all homework through WhatsApp. So you have to do this in your copy notebook. Some of you are doing in book. That is also okay, but it is better to do in your notebook. Okay. You have to do all those homework which I have sent you before, because after in exam you will not able to do your exam because you have not done in your notebook, because I have check your copy. Many of you have not submitted your notebooks and exercise notebook. So you have to notebook these books. Okay, so those who have not submitted, but to them you have to do this all homework in your copy, otherwise you will face problem while doing exam. So do all these works in your copy. So I will send all this homework in through WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to do all those homework. Thank you. So with this chapter we finished all our syllabus. Okay, so you have to all those we have sent you in WhatsApp. Okay, you have to learn also for exams. Okay.